Hello, fellow gardeners. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of plant propagation through air layering. Specifically, we'll explore how to use aloe vera to create new plants. Let's get started. Air layering is a fantastic technique to propagate plants without cutting them. It's especially effective during the early spring when plants are actively growing. Specifically, we'll explore how to use aloe vera to create new plants. Let's get started. Congratulations! You've successfully air layered your tree using aloe vera plant as rooting hormone. Now you have a new baby plant ready for potting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow plant enthusiasts. Happy gardening!